So one of my subscribers said, how do I get flashing lights? Here it is, so look. Flashing light. It should pop up right here. It's a $20 game, so you can basically kind of like role play. So you click on that, already paid for it, and so enough, it's in your library since you buy it. So that's how you get the game flashing lights. And yes, if you want to make a custom light car like this, you can, because with this new update. They're also going to have a new update where you can customize your color of the lights and the light patterns. So keep an eye on that. So that's how you get the flashing lights game.